Hello, my name is Travis Harris. Welcome to 15102 Rainy Dusk Court in Humble, Texas. This beautiful two-story home sits on a cul-de-sac lot, has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and approximately 3,000 square foot of living space, and is perfect for entertaining family and friends. This home has 2 bedrooms downstairs with 3 bedrooms up. Now, one of the many features that I love about the house is that it has an oversized game room and a covered patio. There are so many more wonderful features about this home that you need to see, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the virtual tour.